Today I'm going to help you to synchronize the remote control with the DC adapter. First of all, you need to plug the adapter in a socket. Then connect the LED strip and then turn on the power. As you can see, when you press the buttons in the remote control, the LED strip doesn't respond at all. The reason why this happens is because some units are not well synchronized. To synchronize it, you just need to power off. You have to wait between half and 1 second. And long press on button between 3 and 5 seconds, and then power on again. At the same time, you have to keep pressing the on button. You will see that you can use the remote control normally. All different colors and even all different functions are available, such as flash, jumping or fade.